Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Caught this guy and his two kids on those single wheel devices. That little girl right there, I don't think she's probably even, maybe barely 3 years old. Very cool. Very, very cool. The guy's demonstrating it for those other folks that are watching over there. So, you think the little 2, 3, 4-year-olds can't be involved in these devices? Well, they sure are. I guess probably he held her hand for a little bit. Yeah, she just came off it a little bit. It's low to the ground, so you don't really have any distance to fall. I'm zoomed in as much as I can. Oh, there's 4 of them. Here she comes. She's the youngest. 3 kids and a dad. Very cool. Very cool moment of fun in this China virus world. Yeah, back to my workout. Have fun. Froggy out.